Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from Marinemax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour today of a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. It's here and it's available at Marinemax Pompano Beach. Let's get aboard and show you what it's got. Starting in the transom on the boat. Boat's powered with a triple white Mercury 350 horsepower Verado motor with joystick piloting. We've got this large swim platform walk-through that I can comfortably walk by. Hot and cold freshwater shower, nice cleats in the back of the deck. Loads and loads of seating. And these will scissor open right here. Let me show you. So now we don't sacrifice any space here. Fold down starboard side deck electrically actuates out and creates a huge swim patio area back here. We do have snap-in flooring on the boat. I mean, just gobs of seating. I love this boat. You can take every friend, every family member that you possibly could have. Looking in our galley area here, got a 12-volt refrigerator, 2 barbecue grills, and a wine fridge. I mean, this is an entertaining boat that everyone's gonna love. I've never been on a boat with this much space. And then looking up, we have an electrically actuated shear shade that comes out to cover these seats back here so you can be lounging in the shade. Opening canvas section on the hard top here, so on those beautiful days that you want some sun, just open that up. 2 couples, 2 people forward here on the port side, as well as another 2 here, which is really nice if you like to cruise next to your significant other or partner. 2 nice seats. Looking at the helm, you got your joystick piloting. This is also equipped with a Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. Let's walk forward. Notice as we walk how high these gunnel sides are. Safe, secure, and then you get another 10 people just up here alone in the bow. Everyone here has their own flip down armrests. Speaker system, there's a table in the front. Lots of cup holders everywhere you need them. Access to the anchor windlass. This boat's located, available now, Marinemax Pompano Beach, 700 South Federal Highway. Let's go inside and I'm going to show you the cabin. Alright, walking down, we're in the cabin now. We do have a dinette area and V-berth. Flat screen television here, and then a microwave and another refrigerator. It is air conditioned. Large double bed aft, and then a nice bulkhead enclosed separate bathroom. Air conditioning. You do have a modern vessel sink, growy appliance there in terms of really nice, just some amenities that you find in your home. And I love that you also have a separate shower, so you don't have to pull anything out from the sink. Alright guys, it's Justin Costello, Marinemax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. Give me a call. I'd love to get you aboard this brand new 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. It is available currently in stock at Marinemax.